Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll teach you how to do birthday countdown on Facebook. Facebook does not have a built-in birthday countdown feature, but you can create one by posting countdown updates or sharing countdown images in your stories. This is a fun way to build excitement as your birthday approaches and let your friends join the celebration. So follow these steps to make your own birthday countdown on Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and log into your account. Tap or click your profile picture or the Create Story option. Add a photo, selfie, or colorful background to make it more engaging. Decide how many days before your birthday you want to begin the countdown. Insert text such as 10 days until my birthday or the number of days remaining. Customize your post with stickers, emojis, GIFs, or music if those options are available. Set the audience for your post or story such as public, friends, or a custom audience. Tap share to publish your countdown post or story. Repeat the process each day, updating the remaining number of days until your birthday. Encourage friends to interact by asking them to leave birthday wishes or guess about your celebration plans. Share photos or short videos to make each countdown update unique and interesting. On your birthday, create a final post or story announcing that the countdown has ended. Thank your friends for their birthday wishes and celebrate your special day with photos or updates. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.